Hey everyone, so today basically I have been working on my vision board and getting stuff together. This video is basically telling you what I've been My husband is outside playing basketball with the kids that's passing by. Pretty cool. But yeah, so today basically what I've been working on is my vision board. I've never really done a vision board before. So this was the first time doing it. And I got my whole house. Basically, I uncluttered a lot of stuff, like just drawer. You know how you have one kitchen drawer that you will put like everything in, and you're like, okay, everything can go in that drawer right now and I don't have to worry about it. I basically took everything out of that drawer and I'm gonna organize that. I organized under my sinks and so forth. But the main thing that I've been working on is a rehab. So we purchased the rehab property about 6 weeks ago, and the whole goal was to get it done within a month. Okay, so it is actually happened. We are here day one, and I'm gonna actually be getting some gloves and a mask too. Clearing out a lot of stuff. There's a lot of stuff for trash, and then there's a lot of little nooks and crannies that we're actually gonna keep, because I like to keep something from each property that we do. But this has got a lot of space in the living area, and I'm excited. So this is the property. And this is all the crap that come with it. I know, right? Oof. Don't break those mirrors. I don't want them.
Yeah, that's gonna go to the
Oh, y'all doing a good job. All this is gonna get cleared out, and this is about to get demoed. These old closets, everything. It's gonna be demoed down to the, hey, there was an outlet right there. It's gonna be demoed down to the beams. Hey, remember this headboard from Martin and Gina? I think the TV show was just called Martin. But that reminded me of that headboard on that show. I think there's real wood floors underneath this. I didn't bring my gloves, but this is the bathroom. Wait till the final look of this bathroom. Man, I like a outside lantern light, or gasoline light, actually. This restroom got a lot of potential. The sort of like got a little burglar bar on there too. That's gonna be hectic getting off. All these little old closets like this are coming off. That is an old bed. Back to video. Oh. Some of the work already today. The windows are gonna be going in tomorrow, and the siding. This is some snakes. One of the snakes was inside of the awning up here. How did you feel after you killed the snake?
feel great. I really should have been spider. Mm-hmm. This project almost over.
Sheetrock is in, and this is the master. Putting in the closet doors, the trim. That's the bathroom. That's still in working mode. This was originally the garage. A really high ceiling. Front door trim. Cabinets coming in. That's a shelving area. Washroom. Cabinets getting worked on. Back door. Hey, babe.
Yeah, I had doing it on million on 2021.
2021. Trim work. Closets. It's coming together. We are about in the 4th week, maybe going on the 5th week. We had Christmas, and now today is actually New Year's 2021. So happy 2021 if you're seeing this video. But yeah, that's basically it. Where'd that door come from? Well, some things took place where we couldn't get it done in a month, but we're basically probably about a week and a half, 2 weeks behind due to the holidays, but we're real close, and I think that this was a really good measuring point. And what was really good too, this rehab was really something that we needed in our books and wanted. Like, we was like, okay, we never say, okay, if the deal is going to happen, it's gonna happen, you know? But this deal, I really wanted to happen. Everything was aligning. It was about, was it 8 people that needed to sign or 6? It was a lot of people that needed to sign on the closing. It was a whole family, and William and I, we linked those people and got everyone to sign, and we closed on the property. And then it came to doing the rehab process, which was gutting the house and getting it up and ready. Now the whole goal is to make this will it be the 4th rental? The 4th rental. And I'm really excited about this. We be right on point with all our designs and how we want stuff laid out. And then once we gut everything, we go back and look at the layout of the property to see if it's anything else that we maybe have missed, and then we go back to basically going back to the drawing board to make sure that we did everything that we need to do. So that's what a lot of my time been spent on, and I'm going to be showing you some video because I've been taking video footage, and I didn't want to say anything at the beginning when I was getting ready to buy the property because we've been literally waiting to close on that property for almost a year. February will make a year, actually, February 2021. So we've been really, really working on that property, and that one right there is one to keep. What else do I want to tell you guys? So yeah, this is my first year also working on a vision board, and I am really excited about that. I finished it and I put it on my phone as a screensaver, but not on the phone lock. So it's just for me to reflect on, and my husband can see it. But I can kind of show you how I did my virtual vision board. If you want to see, I mean, I could put that down below. I'm going to be putting a lot of content out here on YouTube, and I am really excited about this year, 2021, and I feel great. Let's get it, guys, and be sure to follow me on my journey. And let me know what you're doing. You got any goals? Did you eat all of your black-eyed peas? I made sure I had black-eyed peas because I do not want to be going through this whole mask up stuff any longer. But I mean, we got to until everything is good and clear. So make sure you mask up also. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in, and be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I comment right away. So let's talk.